Before we start today's video, make sure you go over and click that subscribe button and to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single upload. Hope you guys enjoy. Welcome back to Bad Bass Fishing. Today we've got ourselves a little unboxing and then we'll have a little fishing to go along with it later on today. But our good old sponsor from Plusinno Fishing on Amazon has reached out to me and they made a new pole, a new spinning rod. So they sent it to me to make a review on it. So I was like, all right. I was like, I like free stuff, so why not? So we're gonna unbox this and then we're gonna talk about it and then we're gonna go fish for a little bit and see if we can't catch some fish on it. So stay tuned. You won't be disappointed. Ooh. See? Plusinno fishing rod. It looked kind of cool in the pictures, so really looking forward to seeing how cool it is. Comes wrapped up, so they packaged it really well, like that. Wait a minute. Oh, dang. That's actually sick. Alright. Not gonna lie, this pole, 10 out of 10 on the looks of it. Like, it's a pretty sick rod. It's a 2-piece 7-foot rod. Let's see. Looks like it's a medium. Yeah, 7-foot medium. So that's sick. But look, just look at the design of this. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's got a slick look to it. It says Plusinno across the side of it, which is pretty sick. It's honestly like super light too. Wow, I'm actually really impressed. So yeah, that's about it for the unboxing part. Honestly, like the looks of it, like 10 out of 10. The feel, it's light. Like so far, this pole is a 10 out of 10. This is a sick rod. I'm gonna have to see if they can send me a few more of these if we catch some fish and it's actually like super good. So we're gonna go to Truman in a little bit and test this puppy out. Like, I actually really like the look of it. And if anything, I'll probably give it to my dad because he really needed a nice spinning rod. Because we've been fishing a lot lately down at the dam, so we'll gift this to him. He'll enjoy this, so stay tuned. Thank you. All right, well, spot number one is a no-go, since there's 600 billion people here. Like, just give it a sec. Like, the fishing must be really, really hot, because literally everybody is down here.
It's kind of insane.
Like, okay, buddy. So we're gonna go find another spot. That kind of blows. So, spot number 2. We are at spot number 2 and there's nobody here, so that's a plus, but this is what we're working with. We got a little like pocket here with some water here. Hopefully some crappie may have moved in. Not really sure how it's gonna go. A lot of boats are flying across the water, so water is really working right now. So we're gonna fish down in here and on the other side of this bridge and see if anything's gonna bite. So wish us luck. Alrighty. Try to get down here without breaking my back or my ankles because I'm kind of broken right now. Oh, definitely shouldn't have wore some flippy floppies.
I really don't know if I want to bring my phone down here.
I really don't know if I want to walk down here in my flippy floppies.
Okay.
Yeah, my back's broken, so that's cool. All right. Oh, my line's already tangled up. Cool. telling you, man. There we go. First cast. Oh, it's a dank. First cast. First cast. Holy cow. This pole is super light. It's real light. Like, holy cow. First fish. Does it look big? Wow. First fish is a complete monster. All right, Austin.
There, do you see that?
So that was cool. First cast and we're slaying them. Heck yeah. Yeah, we're flipping it. So far, honestly, this rod is not that awful. It's got a really like fast tip on it. Like the tip is really soft. But other than that, oh my gosh, I just cast it right into a tree. Other than that, I like it. Feels nice. It's super light. Caught a fish on my first cast ever with it, so I mean, it's got to be good, right? I think that's how that works. Oh, got one. What we got? We got bluegill. Woo! Nice little gill. We're hammering them, Austin. This gill devoured my jig. What the heck? Oh, Austin, I'm gonna need the pliers. He did. He wanted it. Look at that. He devoured it. He is. He's a little chunky fish. All right, fish number 2 on the new rod. And the rod is handling them very well. Maybe because they're like 3 inches, but still handling well, so I'll get down a little closer here so I don't kill this fish. All right, see you later, bud. Sick. Heck yeah. 2 fish already on the new rod. What you got? Big fish?
I don't know.
Big catfish? Here, hold on. Let's bust out the camera. Can't miss this. Austin's hooked up with a big one.
I don't think it's that.
It might be a big bass.
It's not big, but
It's pull and drag. What do you have?
oh my god.
You have something good. You might have a big bass or something. Or a cat. Oh, I think it's a nice little cat.
Ah, can you keep this?
Yeah. Oh,
I snagged
you snagged him. What is it though?
Is it
It looked like a little, yeah, it looked like a little carp. Oh, you snagged someone else's line that snagged 2, Mark. Unless you're
No,
doing a
that's
double.
mine. I got doubled. I have doubled.
Dude, yeah, I think you gotta, here, I'm gonna grab him for you.
Dude, I was so confused. I thought I had like a...
Dude, yeah, check this out. Ow, you just caught
Oh,
me.
sorry.
Ow. Wow. Hey, caught a little carp.
That's what's up.
Snagged him right in the back fin.
I was so confused.
Well, do you want a picture of them or something?
No.
You don't care?
No, you just leave it.
Alright. Hold on. Here, you want to grab pliers? Here, I can hold your pole.
Where's the pipe?
Huh?
Where's the pipe?
They're in the bucket. Okay. Oh well. Forgot to turn the mic on. But we got ourselves a carp. Here. We'll get a better view at it here after I unhook it real quick. Cool.
Heck yeah.
Alright, well, you want to release them?
I don't care. Here. So I don't fall down.
You don't want to come down here and release it?
What?
You don't want to bring them down here and release it and I'll get a quick slow-mo?
How do I get down?
Just walk down through there, man. Just like set them in the water like that and we'll hopefully get a little slow-mo. Sick. Nice catch.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's so gross. I hate carps.
All right, that was a nice little catch by Austin there. Snagged a carp in the back fin.
Yeah, how do you do that?
I don't know. I think it's a little bit of luck. Wasn't on the new pole. Like, Austin, don't you think? I think, at least, Austin should cop one of these Plusinno poles.
Yeah, I might have to.
And if you would like to cop one, link is down in the description. Look them up, hit them up, buy a nice pole, and you'll catch cool fish. Yeah. It was lit. There we go. That's a nice one. I do. Oh, big crappie, I think. Oh yeah, that's what we came for, boys. Big old crappie. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm falling in the water. I dropped my slipper. Holy cow, that is a chunk. Whoa, doggy. Want to measure him real quick? Yeah, and I'll film it. Yeah. All right, we're gonna get a measure on this guy. He's a little slab. Oh. What we got?
God, what is that? That's 12?
Nice little 12.
About a 12?
Dang, not too bad.
It's a chunker.
He's almost longer than the board.
Chunky little guy.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Nice little chunky. Nice little chunky crappie. Dang, I honestly didn't expect to catch a crappie down here.
Honestly didn't.
Like I thought we were going to, but then the way it was looking, we didn't catch any, so nice little crappie. We're gonna keep them?
Yeah. Just
all right.
clip it.
Well,
you want me to take this?
yeah, here, hold that camera. I'm gonna put him in the bucket and catch more fish. Okay, well, we're done fishing that spot. Didn't catch any more other than that last crappie there, so I think we're gonna call it a day. So anyways, we're gonna end today's video on that nice little crappie there, a little 12-inch crappie, which I honestly didn't expect to catch a fish or a crappie that size in that little pocket there. And Austin caught a carp on accident, so that was pretty cool, honestly. We're walking under a bridge, so sorry if you hear some great car noises. And there's boats on the lake right here just flying, so that's cool. So again, Plusinno rod. It handled really well. Super light. Like I was talking about, I think it's more of a light fishing pole, like probably better for trout and maybe some crappie and stuff like that. Put some lighter line, like 2 to 6 pound line, something like that. So I would recommend that pole for that reason. So check them out. Like I said, link down in the description, very top of it. You can get like a 6 foot and a 7 foot, I think. And yeah. Thank you again, Plusinno, for sending me a rod to test out. I can't wait to work with you guys again. So we're gonna end today's video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.